I'm Steve Lasch, and I've been with Gorman-Rupp for 11 years as a heavy assembler. I build large pumps, package them on wheel kits and trailers, or incorporate them into silent pump units. No 2 weeks are the same. I couple pumps to engines and mount them on trailers or wheel kits that meet DOT regulations. As I build, I'm checking alignment, fit, and finish, making sure every part of the unit is assembled correctly and ready to perform in the field. What I enjoy most is the variety of work I get to do. One day I'm fabricating and installing silent pump enclosures, making sure they maintain noise levels when in operation. The next, I might be building a pump from the bottom up. This has allowed me to learn and perform most jobs in the department. When production levels exceed normal, I'm able to use my skills and experience to lend a helping hand when needed to keep product moving out the door. This versatility is something I take a lot of pride in. I'm a Gorman-Rupp heavy assembler, and we are the pump people.